Hi, everybody. I'm Sean Palos with Prosymmetry, and today I'm going to show you how you can schedule delivery of your Tempus Insight Plus dashboards. Now, from the Tempus homepage, we're going to browse to Insight Plus, and there are two paths we can take to auto-delivering our Tempus Insight dashboards. But first, I'm going to open a dashboard. I'll choose, in this case, my strategy execution dashboard. Now, there's two paths we can take. One is to send the report now, so an ad hoc send. The other is to schedule a pattern of delivery. To schedule a send now or an ad hoc send, we're going to select this export option, choose send now, and then input the users or groups to whom we wish to send the report, and then select send. Now that'll send the dashboard to those users. The other approach we can take is to set up a scheduled delivery pattern. To do that, again, we'll select the export option, choose schedule as report, and now we can configure a delivery pattern. We can first set the subject line that'll be delivered, how often the report is sent, and we support daily, weekly, and monthly options. In the case of weekly, we choose which day of the week and which time, a start and end date range to this job, the users and groups to whom we wish to send the report, and then we would select schedule. It's that simple to send your Tempus Insight dashboards either ad hoc on demand or as part of a scheduled pattern. There's so much more to learn about Tempus and Tempus Insight Plus. To learn more, join us at prosymmetry.com.